everybody, today we're back. Today we're going bike riding. I can't film it because I could drop the phone and break it, possibly. So I'm gonna start recording again when I am done bike riding. So yeah, just want to say that. Have a great day. Like, subscribe, and see you in a couple, second, I guess.
Go. Fun?
Yeah.
Cute.
Alright. Make sure you like and subscribe. Oh my god. Hey everybody, we just got done. How long was that about? Like an hour and 15 minutes? Yeah, took a while. I am tired. I'm sweaty. We might go get something eaten, right?
Yeah.
So I might record that, a little bit of that. Not too much content to make, but not that well, but I'm just gonna say it's good. So guys, thanks for 127 subscribers. Get me to 150. If you guys wanna download a certain app, it's right up on the screen right now. It's called Video Shop. Go to Google. I think it's only for a phone. I think it's only for certain phones. I'm not too sure. It might be for any phone. You can edit your videos, but if you look back in my videos, because it's going to say that, like when my video starts, look up at the top right of the screen. You'll see Made with Video Shop. So I made this with Video Shop pretty much. So that's how I edited all the clips and everything. I am tired, so guys, looks like we're gonna go eat. Maybe that was my knuckle. I guess I'll see you maybe more. Tiring. Bye. Guys, so we are out at
67stevefm.com
on the way to get some Wendy's. So yeah, not good content at all. Not really.
radio station.
Guys, we're back home playing my video game. Oh yeah, I forgot that I was making a video, so I kind of like didn't record anything. We did the bike riding and stuff. It was pretty cool. I liked it. Yeah, guys, make sure you guys to like and subscribe. And I'll see you next time, guys. Peace.